Arenas.
Sa layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan? World without gays is like a stage without decoration. It would be ordinary, but not extraordinary. Simple, yet not amazing. A pleasant, wonderful evening, City of Iriga! In front of you is a lady with effort, devotion, and smartness. I am 50% plastic, 20% oxygen, 20% hydrogen, and 10% human touch that brings me to life. You can see me at your favorite department store, but you cannot touch me, nor you cannot hold me. I am not for rent, and obviously not for sale. For ladies and gentlemen, I am for your eyes only. You can take me for one night, so let's make the night be tonight. My name is Miss Jill Dasa Orsine. I am your Queen of Daragang Magayon Albay 2016, Miss Trans Camarines Sur 2016, and Manila's 5 Prettiest 2016. But tonight, all of those crowns does not matter, because all I want is to be your next Miss Gay Arriba Plaza 2024. And since that this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of one and only Miss Andrea Torres. Opo, Andrea Torres po ang babaeng nagmula sa langit, bumagsak sa lupa, nakashoot sa banga na may toyo at suka, sili at gata. Ba't di po natin lantakan at gawing pulutan sa gabing ito ang nag-iisang adobong bakla. Adobong bakla na mag-iiwan lamang po ng dalawang kasabihan. Una, ang pagpili ng itlog. Pag ang itlog pula, maalat yan. Pag ang itlog puti, sa manok yan. Pero paano pag ang itlog batik-batik? Sa pugo yan. Paano naman daw po pag ang itlog ay may buhok? Sa loob, balot yan. Pero paano naman po pag ang itlog ay brown? Don't panic, it's organic. Pangalawang kasabihan, alam niyo po ba na malalaman niyo ang inyong mga sakit pag kayo ay tumikim ng inyong mga kulangot? Pag ang kulangot niyo po ay matamis, baka kayo ay may diabetes. Pag ang kulangot niyo naman po ay medyo mapait, baka sa abdo ang tama niyo. Pag ang kulangot naman po ay medyo maalat, baka sa kidney tayo may tama. Pero 100% pag ang kulangot tinikman niyo, sa ulo ang tama nyo. Happy Fiesta, City of Iriga, Viva Señor San Antonio de Padua.
That was candidate number 2. More, because I truly believe that beauty must be given. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and beautiful others. This is Nigel Corporal, all the way from a world-class and internationally recognized city, home of Magagayons, City of Iriga. This is your candidate number 3 saying, catch every moment of life, just like how this pageant caught my heart. Arriba, Iriga! Tonight, as we celebrate beauty, prestige, and glamour, let me just remind everyone that we have a power. Yes, a power to create change for better. So ladies and gentlemen, just pray, relax, and let God take over. For we, the LGBTQIA+ community, will make a difference in everyone's life. For hope is better than fear, optimism is better than despair. And that is one thing we should never ever forget. Maraming gabi ka rin yung namin, or should I say a pleasant evening, my dear brothers and sisters. This is Patricia Ann Yukamko, 29 years old, representing Arriba, Iriga. Kahit gustuin ko man pong magbigay ng kasabihan na nakakatawa o di kaya naman may kahalong kabastusan, namumutawi po sa aking puso't isipan ang respeto sa mga batang nanonood. Lalo na po nasa tabi lamang po tayo ng simbahan. Kaya naman po ang kasabihan ay mapagkukunan po natin ng aral ng leksyon na ang taong nagpapakumbaba ay siyang itinataas. At ang taong nagpapakamataas ay siyang ibinababa, because in this world, we were born to be true, never to be perfect. Thank you very much.
Up next, let's have candidates numbers 5 and 6.
When you were born, you were crying and the people around you are definitely smiling. So do the best that you can so that one day, when you die, definitely people around you will cry because of the good things you have done for them. I believe that the main purpose of life is to live it by planting a seed of goodness today and reaping its fruit of tomorrow. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and my beautiful hometown. This is Amiela Juana Luisa Roa Salcedo, 24, representing my very own Arriba, Iriga.
Walang mamamatayan ng ina at walang masusunugan ng bahay. Dahil ang nais ko lamang po ay ang inyong masigabong palakpakan. To become what you are, or to become what you are capable of becoming, is the secret of a happy life. For every living soul has its own talent, wit, and perseverance. So never be afraid. Just be yourself. What a glamorous and spectacular evening, people of Iriga City. My name is Antoinette Sapo, 24, representing Pulangi Albay. Na naniniwala po sa mga simpleng kasabihan na mahirap po ang magpakalalaki kung hindi ka naman tunay na lalaki. Mahirap din po ang magpakababae kung hindi ka naman po tunay na babae. Mahirap din po ang maging bakla kung hindi ka naman tunay na bakla. Pero, mas mahirap pong maging tomboy kung Princess Joy ang pangalan mo. Thank you!
Let's welcome candidates numbers 7 and 8.
Palakpakan! With a glamorous, spectacular evening, people of Iriga, a girl standing before your eyes is a fresh, innocent, sweet, 18-year-old stunner hailing all the way from the home of the Alansangan and the Buabuaan Festival, from the first class municipality of Rinconada, from the town of Dollars, municipality of Nabua, province of Camarines Sur. My name is Gabriel Caballero. I'm a campus debater, a campus journalist, and a proud graduate of Humanities and Social Studies with high honors. I'm your candidate number 7 saying, "Dat di bale nang makita ang legs, wag lang ang eggs." Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, it made you laugh, but let us not forget that mistakes are to be corrected and never should be insulted. And according to Article 3, Section 4 of the Philippine Constitution, no law shall be passed abridging the people's freedom of the speech, the freedom of the press, or should I say, my freedom of expression. So let me express myself from north to south, yes, from east to west. From the highest mountains to the deepest seas, I shall come out from my cocoon and conquer this fabulous stage. What a wonderful evening, people of Arriba, Iriga. Standing in front of you is a 26 years of age stunner who's made of sugar and spice with everything nice with a dash of sassiness. My name is Queen Hugo, honored and proud to represent Nabua, Camarines Sur. I was once hailed to be your Miss Gay Bicolandia 2016, Manila's 5 Prettiest 2017, Miss Magayon 2019, and Miss Gay Piñasan 2022. But that won't matter because the crown that I always just want to get is the Arriba Plaza Queen Crown 2024. At bago ko po ba lalisanin ang entabladong ito, I just want to give you a short song. Napakaraming doktor dito sa atin, pero bakit tila walang natira? Nag-a-abroad sila. Napakaraming pogi dito sa atin, pero bakit tila walang natira? Bakla na po sila. And thank you!
Thank you, candidate numbers 7 and 8. And finally, we have candidates numbers 9 and 10. 39, 26, and 14. Candidate number 9 is Elton Vecchio, representing Bacacay Albay. She stands 5 feet and 4 inches. She's candidate number 9, Elton Vecchio. And candidate number 10 is Mia Angela Reynosa, representing Owas Albay. Mia stands at 5 feet and 10 inches tall with a vital statistics of 30, 20, 39. Candidate number 10, Mia Angela Reynosa. Now let's welcome back our candidates in their sexy swimwear.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, your
But tonight, let us all welcome and give a round of applause the multi-events host of Iriga City, Miss Lordan Navales. Hello, hello, and good.
The song that is as old as time and that is with us from the very start of our history. Music, maestro.
Siyempre, pag nag-shot, may tao. Jackpot si number 2. Kahit hindi mo nalong gasintan. May uwi. Yung mga food stall owners.